How's it going, guys? It's your boy Brian here, and welcome back to another episode of Everything Blue, where we check out everything that is blue. I don't know, I just made that up on the spot. We could probably keep it going. And in today's episode, we are going to unbox the Sony Xm4s in a special edition color. You guessed it, midnight blue. Now, why did I get this? Well, I already got the Apple Watch Series 6 in blue, and the new iPhone 12 is rumored to be out in blue as well. So might as well just complete the whole look, you know? And let's get this unboxed. So with the Xm4s, you should expect 30 hours of battery life if you have the noise canceling on, and 38 hours with the noise canceling off. Now when you open these right away, you're already gonna see the midnight blue in action with the travel case. It has a little pouch here on the side if you wanna store some cables. Let's get this opened up. That smells like new. Wow. This is actually a great shade of blue. Midnight blue? Look at this. This matches exactly with the Apple Watch. I mean, check this out. Not sure if you're able to see it with the camera, but this matches very well with the Apple Watch Series 6, and I could only imagine how the iPhone 12 is gonna look when you're wearing these. And you're still gonna get the little kind of like bronze, goldish type of accent colors here on the noise canceling microphone grills and the Sony logo here. You're always gonna expect very good build quality. You could twist these, stretch these around, you'll be all good to go. And on the left side ear cup, you're gonna have that little sensor, so when you have them on or off, the music will pause or continue playing. So it's gonna know when you have them on. They match. You look so sophisticated and professional with these. Like if you're in a meeting and you're getting a phone call, you'll be like, "Excuse me, mate." Yellow. The auxiliary cable that comes included inside the box is also midnight blue. You have the USB-C to USB-A charger cable, that's black, and the airplane adapter for your headphones, that is also black. One of the best features that I like about these headphones is the touch sensitivity on the right ear cup. When people are talking to you and you want to listen to them and stop the music at the same time, you just put your hand on the right side of the ear cup and you can hear that person speaking. You could also change the volume by swiping up or down, and skipping tracks by swiping left or right, and pause and skip songs by tapping. So that's one of the great features if you want to have multifunctional buttons and touch sensitivity. I've owned the Xm4s before, and I could say the sound quality is one of the best that I've ever heard in an over-ear pair of headphones. I used to own the 35 from Bose, and they were good. But once I tried the Xm3s when those came out, and now the Xm4s, these blow them out of the water. This is gonna be the best pair that you could get for $350. And there you have it. That was my quick unboxing of the Midnight Blue special edition of the Sony Xm4 headphones. Let me know what you thought about these headphones. I mean, personally, anything blue, I'm down for it. But let me know in the comment section below if you like these headphones, if you don't, anything. Let's get the conversation started below. And don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button, as I will be making more tech videos, more live streams, more skits, and all that fun stuff. Once again, this is Brian. Until next time, stay bluey. No. Man, I should have made a pun about something blue. Peace out. Yellow.